Do you know how to sketch these functions? Let me show you. In a previous video, I showed you an introduction to functions where we looked at a function machine and the inputs and outputs. So we take a number, we put into our function machine, and a number comes out. So if we take x and the x value, we multiply it by 2, we get 2x, and we add 3. So I'm going to show you something similar with the function x and x squared. So let's look at the most basic function where you just times your inputs by 1. So for example, you have x, you times it by 1, you get your output, which is also x. So if you take the number 2, you times it by 1, it's just the number 2. So our function machine takes the number x, it multiplies it by 1, which means it doesn't change. So we can plot this on an axis. So say I take the number 1, that would just output the number 1, and the graph will be a straight line with gradient 1. And each point here, we have an input of 1, an output of 1. Here we would have an input of 2, an output of 2. Down here we could have an input of minus 3. When you put in minus 3 and you times it by 1, we also get minus 3. So this is a straight line of y equals x. Nice. Follow me for more content like this.